Do subscribe. And press the bell icon to get update of such videos. What will be the consequence of disappearing tree from the earth from 1 day to 3,000 year? You will know the answer from this video. So watch till the end. You are watching 3-minute intro. In 1 minute after the 3 trillion trees of planet vanished, oxygen levels would begin to fall and carbon dioxide levels would begin to rise. However, humans wouldn't notice anything for a while as the Earth takes time to adjust its atmospheric composition. In 5 minutes, your stress levels might increase slightly. If not from the state of your garden, then from the fact that trees aren't present to lower your stress-related hormones cortisol and adrenaline. In 7 weeks, most of the Earth would experience extreme weather events like hurricanes and flooding. With no tree roots to absorb water from the soil, there would be frequent surface runoff and as a result, major floods. And without the root of tree there would be topsoil erosion, landslides, and sediment deposit in rivers. The latter could be detrimental to fish and other lake wildlife. In 7 months, drought will occur because of rainfall would start becoming a rarity, as trees absorb water from the soil and release it through evapotranspiration. That means less cloud. Lands would quickly dry out as trees aren't there to remoisten the atmosphere. Without rainfall our freshwater choices will be limited. The lack of water flow to lakes would cause overgrowth. Natural water sources for humans would become contaminated, making them harder to filter. Widespread drought across the planet would hamper crop production and agriculture. The soil would be full of pollutants normally filtered by trees, so growing anything would prove difficult. It won't be long before soil loses its arability altogether. In 50 years, many animals that once depended on trees for food and habitat would start going extinct. The food chain would begin unraveling from the bottom upwards. Natural scavengers would likely survive the longest, feeding off other dead beings. We would start noticing the accelerated effects of global warming. The polar caps would melt due to rising temperatures, causing a rise in sea level. Many of our natural springs would become contaminated. The rise of carbon dioxide and dip in oxygen would start causing lightheadedness and concentration problems. Those with respiratory and blood issues would start dying first, along with small animals unable to cope with the atmospheric changes. Without trees, the air would be contaminated with pollutants. As a result, rainfall would often be acidic, causing harm to any remaining plant life. Air pollution masks would become a necessity. In 700 years, if the human race wasn't already dead from starvation, environmental havoc, the lack of fresh water or poisonous air, the last of the raw materials we drew from trees would begin to dwindle around us despite specialized storage. In 3,000 years, Earth as we know it would be reduced to a barren, desert-like place. We'd be long gone, and if not, our species would be close to extinction. No wildlife would exist on land. It's possible that some marine life may be able to tolerate the new conditions. That's all from today. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to know such information in just 3 minutes. Don't forget to like our Facebook page. Thank you.